Hello and welcome to Prehistoric Reptiles TV. On this episode, we're going to show you a Pokemon Riachu Evolution pack opening. So, let's get this thing open. Oh, better push that back. So, we get two booster packs. Well, one's made just a sampling pack which contains 3 cards. The other one's a proper pack containing 10 cards. Also, you get your Pikachu. Just focusing on that. And Riachu. Holo, rare. Very nice card. Very rare. That's quite nice, that actually. Really nice. So, let's get the sampling pack open. It comes with a card list for the Boundaries Crossed pack game, sorry. Oops, and first card. Switch. Oh, another Pikachu. Very, very nice. Pikachu. And Spike. That's a good start. And now, the 10 pack. Ducklet, Squirtle. Yes, as I've said in my other videos, that Squirtle is indeed my favourite Pokemon card, and I am happy to get him. Nice. Dweeble, Frillish, Electabuzz, Townmat. Oh, a rare Meowth. Very nice. Charmeleon. Another one of my favourite Pokemons. Very nice. Tranquil. And Swoobat. There's also contained a online game which unlocks 1 online booster pack. Well, thanks for watching. That's Prehistoric Reptiles TV on opening a Riachu Evolution pack. Bye bye.